All right, y'all, these are my famous motorcycle beans. They go great with barbecue. Let's get into this video. So I have some pinto beans that are dry. I am going to soak these overnight. I'm going to run some water through them and give them a rinse. And then I'm going to go through and make sure there's no rocks or any bad beans that are broken and just pick those out. Alright, so once I've soaked my beans, I'm going to cook them on a medium-high heat until they are soft, about maybe 2 or 3 hours. Next, I'm going to chop up some bell pepper, a green bell pepper, a white onion, and then I'm going to use some minced garlic. I hope you all are doing well. Please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. If you are returning, I appreciate you all for watching. Commenting really helps the algorithm push my video out to more people. Alright, so after cooking for a couple of hours, my beans are soft. I am going to get some ground beef in on a medium heat. I'm going to fry my ground beef and add in my onions, peppers, and about the last minute or so, I'll add in that garlic. Y'all, this is the perfect side dish for the summer for your barbecue. My dad taught me this recipe when I was a teenager, and I love it so much. Alright, I'll have all the measurements and ingredients in the description box, but I'm going to use my seasonings. I've got some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne, and some chili powder. In that same skillet, I am going to fry up some bacon. You can use as little or as much as you like. I did not make a really big batch of these beans, so I'm just using a few pieces. I'm going to fry them up until they're really crispy. Again, everything will be listed in the description box, but I have some honey, brown sugar, A1, barbecue, and Worcestershire. I'm going to add all of those ingredients into my beans and then get them mixed through. Y'all, it smells so good in here when I make these beans. I pair this with my famous seafood pasta salad. I do have that video up. I just posted it a couple of days ago. So if you have my pasta salad and my barbecue beans and you get you some barbecue meat, honey, this is the description of a good summer dinner. Once everything is combined, I do have my oven preheated to 350. I'm going to put this into a pan and then cover it with some foil. And I'm going to bake this about 30-45 minutes until everything is just flavorful and good and combined. And y'all, I love this so much. I hope you guys try this recipe. You will definitely be a fan. I love you guys for watching. I appreciate your support, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.